Sit up tall. When did you get that?
In college.
Just a couple years ago at least? And it's still bothering you?
Sometimes.
Okay. Go like that. All the way up. I like adjusting the mid back because it gives you movement in your thoracic spine. Go back down, which allows your